Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install and use Make on Linux. So at the beginning, of course we have to go into terminal, like this. And now, I will show you how to check if your Make is installed, because Make is installed by default, for example on Ubuntu. For me it's version 4.3. And what is Make? Make is a build automation tool used to compile programs. So we can compile programs, for example in C, using this tool. And right now, how to install it? You have to simply type in sudo apt install, or your command for installing things from your Linux distribution. So for example for Fedora it would be sudo dnf install, and right now you have to type in Make. And you have to type in your password, and this is how you can install Make. For me nothing happened because I have it installed, so I can move on to creating a simple project, and I will show you how to use it. So I will create a folder, for example make demo. At the beginning I will create that, of course, by using mkdir, and now we can move to this project. So cd make -demo, and now I will create the file. So hello.c, for example, and now something like this. We have to, of course, start with include stdio_h, and now we create a function, and we will print, for example, hello world, like this. And now I will type in return 0, and I will close that. And right now we can save that. And how can we run this file? At the beginning we have to create a Makefile. So Makefile, and right now all, and we have to use tab right here. We can't use spaces, we have to press tab, and gcc hello.c -o and hello. Hello.c and hello, like this. I will press Ctrl O, enter, and Ctrl X, and right now we can run it by typing in at the beginning make, and as you can see it worked. We have gcc hello.c -o hello, and we can run it like a script. So // and hello. As you can see, it worked. We have it like combined because I didn't use a new line character, so I can use that right now. So I will type in something like this, save that again. We have to type in make again. As you can see, it worked again, and hello. And as you can see, it is in the new line. So this is how you can use Make on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.